Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Saratoga Springs, New York, where on May 21st, 2020 at 12:21 a.m., a Saratoga Springs police sergeant approached the driver of a vehicle crash at 92 Ross Ave West as his investigation begins.
Alright, let's go over here. So you... Alright. 682. Let's get a unit blocking off the roadway. What's that?
I said just got to work. I looked at SB Saratoga.
Did you see anything or anything?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, I saw it from east.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, go turn around.
Go ahead and talk to him.
10-4.
What's up? You're not the driver, are you?
I was the driver.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's going on?
Someone's calling me right now. I'm gonna turn that off. I don't know, man. I was coming around the corner too fast and I freaking hit that. And then it
Come in this way?
That way.
Alright. Where are you coming from?
Albany, honestly.
Albany?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Where do you live?
I live down the road in Saratoga.
Okay.
But I was working tonight. I went
I'm not
and
sure whether that's in the city or
delivered
not.
a bunch
They
of
have
food.
multiplier going
Okay.
as well.
Who'd you work for?
Saratoga.
Albany.
Alright.
Yeah.
Get your ID on you or?
Yeah.
Vehicle exploiting call.
It's a major.
Yeah, it's my car caught on fire and it wasn't that big.
17's on scene.
Do you own the vehicle? Is it in your name?
Oh, no, it's a lease.
It's a lease, but
It's a
okay.
lease, yeah. I definitely don't know now.
17 blocked
No.
up there. Who's with you?
He's with me, I'll block it off.
Back off.
That's
682. Let's get someone on 9.
Yeah.
Make sure no traffic.
How much fuel was in it?
a lot. I just filled it up.
You just filled it up with gas?
Yeah, it's a lot.
15, I'll take that one.
So what happened?
I have no idea, man.
Let's back up. Let's back up.
Yeah,
Let's go down
I came
here.
around the corner. I just
Go down here.
lost
No,
it.
turn around. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on. Watch where you're going.
Through here?
Hey,
Up here?
driving like
Come up here. On the road.
my ankle hurts.
Let's go to the front of this
Very well.
vehicle. 1382, one by Clan ID. If you want to just sit on the bumper,
Can I lean on it?
yeah, you can
All right,
go ahead and sit right there.
9 to 6. Let me check 9 to 6.
So what happened?
I came around the corner too fast. I was driving like
Which way were you coming from?
this way.
All right. So you're
That
heading.
way.
13, go ahead.
All right.
Off of 9 this way. I'm driving from Albany.
Driving from Albany.
Yeah, I was volunteering at a food bank tonight.
Volunteer from Quebec. Where are you driving to?
15.
My place right down the street off of Nelson Avenue Extension. It's off of
Whereabouts?
Rowley. It's at the corner of Rowley and Malta Avenue Extension.
All right. So you're driving from Albany, and you're driving to.
I got off at exit 13. I came up. I came over this way.
Okay.
Not
Are
a
you
good
injured
idea.
at all?
No, I mean my ankle. Not that.
All right. How much
It's
have
really minor.
How much have you had to drink tonight, sir?
I had like 3 drinks when I was there, but they were pretty strong.
3 drinks.
Yeah.
What kind of drinks were they?
They were mixed cocktails. It was a rum cocktail. Enough that I probably
I could
got a
smell
buzz.
it. That's why I'm
yeah,
asking.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's like enough that I have a buzz.
3 cocktails, enough
like
to have a
3
buzz.
cocktails, but enough that I have a buzz. Yeah.
Okay, what's going to happen is I'm going to have this officer is going to continue to speak to you. He's going to run you through a few tests, make sure you're okay, all right?
Yes, sir.
So 3 cocktails coming from Albany, and you're driving on the other side of Malta Extension there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's bring him in front of your vehicle. Deputy, can we shut your emergency lights down, please?
So we're going to start a few tests right now.
Yes, sir.
You want to just stand right here? Just face
Where?
me. Just actually, we'll have you out of the lights. Actually,
Wherever
right
you want, man.
right here,
Wherever you want.
Right here.
Sorry, somebody's calling me. I gotta turn it off.
Yeah, turn that off for me.
Yep. Got it. Alright. Since Blackwater, I ain't heard nothing blow up like that.
Blackwater?
Blackwater, baby. Monarch, North Carolina.
So go ahead, put your feet together. Put your hands at your side. Don't move from this position unless I tell you to do so. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You see the tip of my pen?
Yes, sir.
I want you to track with using your eyes.
Do you wear contacts or glasses, sir?
Negative.
Or are you on any medication?
No.
Any physical ailments wrong with you or anything?
My knee right now?
Just the knee's a little sore?
Yeah, it sucks.
Okay.
Alright. Put your feet together, please.
45 degree.
Just together, hands at your sides. Don't move from this position until I tell you to do so. Do you see the tip of my pen?
I do.
Alright. Using your eyes and your eyes only, track my pen. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The vehicle, the passerby, is Henry Adams Charles 3200. Hi. Can you go over to the Franklin Community Center out front? Community is out there.
Alright, now it's going to go up and down. Use your eyes to track it.
Yes, sir.
There's no residents over on Wall Street.
Okay.
Hi.
We're going to now do the walk and turn. So continue facing this way.
Very well.
Imagine there's a straight line coming from your feet all the way out. Okay. Go ahead, put your feet together, arms at your sides. Take your right heel, place it in front of your left toe. Just like I'm doing.
Like in front of the same thing?
Yep, just like I'm doing. Now stay there. Wait. Go back.
Sorry.
Stay there. I'll explain the test. Don't move from that position until you
Very
do
well.
so. Put your hands at your side.
Sorry. It hurts.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Alright. Do you think you can do this test?
Probably. I'm gonna
Probably.
try.
You're going to try?
It hurts, man.
Well, go ahead. Go back to the position I told you to do so. Right heel in front of your left toe. Stay there until I explain the test. So what I want you to do is I want you to take 9 steps.
9?
1, 2,
Yep, just hang out in that position for now and just listen to his instructions,
and
okay?
so on. When you reach that 9th step, I want you to take a series of small steps on your lead foot and take 9 steps back.
Spin it around?
Yep. Not yet. During this test, I want you to look at your feet, count each step out loud.
Alright. Can I take my boots off? This hurts.
I mean,
I just got...
I know, sir. It's protocol. That's why we're going to bring
I
it.
understand.
We can smell the
I was
alcohol.
in
You
the
said
Coast
you've been
Guard, dude.
drinking.
I get it. Like,
Okay.
Yeah.
I appreciate your service.
go ahead if you can.
So you're going to go right... Hold on. You're going to keep your right foot in front of your left foot, like you said. You got to go 9 heel-to-toe steps out.
Can I step a little
Yep,
bit out?
yep.
All right.
See how it's flat and free of
Yep.
debris?
I prefer it more.
Okay, so you understand his instructions?
1,
Wait.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many?
The number I told you,
What's the number you told me?
9.
9? So I'm at 7? 8? No. Oh, it hurts.
That's fine.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I tried, man.
You did. You tried. All right, we got one more test.
All right.
And we'll let you sit down and take some weight off that leg.
What knee's hurting, sir?
It's not knee. It's my
what
left
leg?
ankle.
Okay.
It's just the ankle. Like,
okay.
Below where the ankle is.
All right. So what he's going to do now? He's going to explain what's called a one-leg stand.
Very well.
So I want you to lift the ankle that hurts. Okay.
Very well.
That way, there's no pressure on that leg
Yes,
at all.
sir.
Okay. He's going to explain to you.
All right, go ahead and put your feet together, hands at your sides. Don't move from this position until we begin the test. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. When I tell you to begin the test, lift up your bad ankle. So you lift up your left foot, hold it straight out, hold it about 6 inches off the ground.
Off the ground, yeah.
And I want you to count 1001, 1002, 1003 until I.
All right. Very well.
All right. During this test, I want you to look at your feet, count out loud, keep your hands at your side. Don't stop the test until I hear it stop.
Very well. Tell me when to start.
We'll start when you want to start. So go ahead and get into position, and I'll start the timer.
1,000.
Keep your leg out straight.
2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 4, 1,000. 5, 1,000. 6, 1,007. 1,008. 1,009. 1,010. Oh,
That's fine.
I'm sorry.
Yep.
I was trying. It hurts.
You did? You're trying to understand. Right. So you already told us you've been drinking.
Yes, sir.
This is just gonna reaffirm that you are. It's just a test.
I'm not lying.
Yep, you're not lying, so this will just tell us. All right, so what I need you to do is take a deep breath. You're gonna blow until I tell you to stop.
Yes, sir.
All right, ready? Get that breath. Put your lips around it. Blow.
So what happens, sir? You're bleeding. You're blowing so much saliva into it. I need you to relax. It's like blowing a balloon. So you're gonna seal your lips around it. Nope. It was just there was a lot of saliva, so you got to blow steady. Okay. Let's try it again, sir. Thank you.
Good. Ready?
Yes.
Deep breath. Put your lips around it.
Keep going. Good job. Keep going. There you go. It'll click.
Is it all right?
Yeah, we just had to provide it. You know,
It was really hard. I get it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm going to put you under arrest.
You're going to be under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? Get your hands. 682.
All right, we're going to go to the back of my car.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Already on it. Okay. Go ahead, stand up right here. Can you spread your legs a little?
Prod or hurt us?
What's that?
Anything gonna poke, prod us, or hurt us, or anything?
No.
No sharps?
I don't know. Whatever.
Is it sharp?
Not
No,
usually.
I don't want to get caught.
You'll get all this stuff back. It's all in here, just your keys.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No. Like an empty cigarette packet. Nothing fun.
Go ahead. Have a seat in here. Oop. You okay? Can you get out?
Yeah. Can you help me? Thank you.
I thought it was the
Following the arrest, the suspect Douglas was transported to the Saratoga Springs Police Department for further processing. While there, the suspect submitted a breath alcohol sample of 0.19%. This is above twice the legal limit of 0.08% breath alcohol content to drive in the state of New York. In court, the suspect was charged with driving while intoxicated, or DWI, with breath alcohol content 0.08%, first offense. On August 4th, 2020, 75 days after the arrest, the defendant pled guilty to DWI and was ordered to pay a total of $895 between fines, fees, and surcharges. This amount has been paid in full. He was further sentenced to 0 days in jail, no time on probation, 1 year of conditional discharge, and a license revocation of 6 months.
Is there a seatbelt back here?
Do you want it on?
4205.
I can pull over and put it on you real quick.
Is there one right here?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Apparently that paperwork has been filed.
Yeah, no problem. You did just get in a car accident.
Thank you. I appreciate it, like, for real. Thank you. Thank you.